tourism sector. So you get its destination, you can go to our site as well, right? If you want to know more, then you can go to our site. We are into tourism, and Gets Group is a award-winning thing. Like we have got an award in best Himachal tourism, and we are into Malaysia, Dubai, lots of places. So if you want to join us, then you can visit the places as well. Then we come to Gets recruitment. So when the Gets Group started, we were already into recruitment. Then now the recruitment is on board. So we recruit people in different sectors, not only in tourism industry, but in different sectors like aviation. If you want to be a ticketing person, like you want to join any airlines, you can't be a air hostess or something, so you can be in the ground staff. So we work on that as well. In different domains, you can join hotels like the Leela, all these hotels from this sector. So first I'm explaining you with whom you are getting trained, then I go to the program. Okay, so be patient. Now, so it's not what you achieve, it's what you overcome. Yes, true. ये हमारी tagline है. आप जो achieve करते हो वो तो आप करते हो. Like you study, you do different courses, you do BBA, you do MBA, you do BTech. So you study, but what you achieve from that is the main thing. You study to achieve, right? To earn, basically. Then our tourism sector, as I earlier told you, we are into tourism. So I told you already. If you can see this, I want to focus in this. Galileo certified staff. Galileo is a software in which you learn the ticketing thing, right? You learn how to book tickets and more. Like if you want to be a ticketing agent, executive or a manager, you have to learn certain softwares. Otherwise, companies won't hire you. So all Gates trainers are certified and will train you on real-time software, right? Mr. Arjun, CEO and founder, it has been 20 years, more than 20 years, but 20 successful years he is into this industry. So he will be your trainer as well. He'll train you on real-time operations, real-time bookings, basically. Then, yes, so we are here with the Gets Academy. So when you are attending a training session, you should know who is training you, right? So Gets Academy, so you are trained by IAS certified academy, right? The certification is a ISO certificate. We have 100% job placement, yes. So when you join us, we will give you 100% placement assistant on your packages. You'll get 1 week training, full training on everything. Whatever the domain you like, you can go forward with that. Am I audible? Do this. Prajwal. Hi, Prajwal. Yeah, okay. So go to one course on GDS. GDS software. There are different details. You can go to the website. I want you to visit the website first, then enroll, right? Then certain 1 month courses we are having, making your tour packages. The best thing you learn is visa and passport. So if I want to go to Malaysia, go to Dubai, I will visa agents, and they will be taking money, 50,000. So you should to reach. So we'll go forward with the courses. Visit our website, you'll get everything there. I am just showing a little details. Then there is 6 month course, and then finally we have our 1 year course. I will be sharing you the entire PPT, right? You'll be getting the PPT. You can see the PPT. So trainings. So the training would be, you will be trained on every and each thing on a real-time software. No theories. We don't believe in theories. We just believe in one thing, that is practical training, because theory you won't learn anything. These are few certificates which we have got. We will be certifying you in the same way that we are being certified, right? You can see the certificates.